Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you guys know, today I will be doing a full face of first impression from Cuffs and Lashes. So I have already shown you what I have bought from Cuffs and Lashes like a week ago. I did a haul video. So if you guys are interested to see how I create a beautiful look, then please keep on watching. So I have applied a little bit of face oil today because my skin was looking very dry. Starting with the primer, I am using the Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. It brightens the skin, modify pores, moisturize and nourishes your skin. So this is in the shade 01, which is natural tint. This is how the bottle looks like, you can see, and it has that pearly effect. So let's just try this one out. It comes with a pump packaging, which is really good. So I'm taking like 2 pumps of this. So let's apply this. Okay, this is very thick. So I really like this glow, you guys. It's looking really natural, by the way. I don't know how it's looking on the camera, but in person it's looking really natural and glowy. So for foundation, I have the Coloressence Color Your Spirit oil-free foundation stick, and I have got the shade FS5. I hope the shade matches me. So the foundation stick was very stiff, but I am going to use my Vichy Pro Base foundation brush to blend, and let's see how it blends. So the price for the foundation is $195, but there is a huge sale going on Cuffs and Lashes, so you can definitely check out all the products. They are having massive sale. So all the products I am showing in this video, and more products of these brands are on offer. So that was the foundation. Now let's move on to the concealer. So I have this half and half HD Pro concealer. I have got 2 shades, natural and ivory. So ivory is more of yellow tone and natural is a more sort of pinky tone. So I'm going to mix both of them and apply under my eyes to highlight and conceal. So I'm blending it with the beauty blender. So I really like the concealer. It has a medium coverage and I really like the finish of this. It has definitely brightened up my under eyes. So yeah, I really like the concealer and it blended quite nicely. Now it's time to set my under eyes and my face. So today I will be using the Glam 21 Ultra Professional palette, and this has powder, contour, highlighter, bronzer. So I'm going to use this to set my face, to contour and bronze up my face. So I'm going to take this shade to set my under eyes. Now I'm taking this shade to contour my face. So now it's time for blush, and I will be using the Swiss Beauty Blushing of Love Baked Blusher. So I'm going to mix both of them for my blush. Blush is very pigmented. Now to set my face, I am using the 20 something Cosmetics makeup fixer. I have some products from 20 something Cosmetics. I have their eyeshadow palette, I have their face palette, and I also have their lipsticks. So I'm going to do a dedicated video on those, so stay tuned for that. So for today I'm using this because I don't have any setting spray with me, so I'm using this. So while my base is drying, I am going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. So I am back with my brows on fleek. Now it's time for some highlighter. So I want to use this highlighter, but this one will be too pale and I really want to use this highlighter as well. So I am going to use this highlighter and mix it with this one, and I hope this will look good. Now coming to the eye makeup, I have two palettes as I mentioned. I have the 20 something palette as well as I have this Swiss Beauty, which color? This is the 30 colors eyeshadow palette. I am not going to use this palette today. I am definitely going to use this in another video of mine, but today I will be using the Beauty Glazed Rock Metal palette. I absolutely love this, and you can get this or any other Beauty Glazed palettes from Cuffs and Lashes. The palettes are bomb, you guys. These have amazing pigmentation, they blend really well, so highly recommended their palettes, so you can definitely check them out. Now today I will be using this palette. This is the Rock Metal palette, and I am going for a very subtle and soft eye makeup today because I have done a beautiful gorgeous look yesterday, so I'm going for a subtle and soft look today. For my crease, I am starting with this shade. This is Camel, and I'm blending this with my PAC 204 blending brush. I am blending it just on my crease. Next I am going with this shade. This is Cashmere. I am going to apply this all over my eyelid. And look at that pigmentation, you guys. This is just the eyeshadow without any setting spray. It's just so pigmented and so metallic. Using the same crease shade on my lower lash line. Applying the same highlighter on my inner corners and a little bit on the brow bone as well. Now it's time for some eyeliner, and I'm using the Glam Glitz glitter eyeliner pen by Neon, and this is in the shade Purple 05. The beautiful metallic purple eyeliner. I'm loving the pigmentation. What do you guys think about the liner? It's on fleek. That was my eye makeup. Now I'm going to finish it off with some mascara. I am using my recent favorite, which is the Faces Canada Ultim Pro Whooper Lashes Mascara. I am loving this. I'm not going with any falsies today. I want just the mascara. Anyway, now let's move on to the lipstick, and I have three options. This is the Makeup Story, and this is in the shade Kashish 12. It's a beautiful rusty shade, and I have two of the Blue Heaven lipsticks. I think this will look good. It is more sort of bluish purpley tone. Now that's a vampy shade. So guys, this is my finished look. Let me know if you guys like this look or not. And it was a great video, I guess. I think all the products worked for me. The base is looking beautiful. Only the highlighter, I think I should have went for this only, not with the palette highlighters, because that is sort of dark for me. So anyway, I really enjoyed this video. I think everything I have used today is worth purchasing because these are very affordable, and I really like the setting spray as well because it just gave me that really nice finish. Also, one more thing, I do have the lenses, but I have a little bit of problem with my right eye. whenever I'm wearing lens, my right eye vision is getting blurry. So that's why I need to go and do a checkup for my right eye. That's why I didn't wear or try the lens. So I'm so sorry for that. I think I really liked my makeup. I really like the products. So I am going to mention the links of all the products I have used today in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. Anyway guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.